Welcome in our morning guest as well. Ruchit Jain now joins us. He's a technical expert. Let's get some perspective on what to expect in terms of numbers, in terms of levels to watch out for. Ruchit, good morning. Thank you so much for taking out time for us. Could you just tell us what's your view on Nifty? What are the levels to watch out for?
Post reversing from its recent high above 10,000, which was the resistance on the monthly charts price-wise as well as time-wise. We have seen a lower top, lower bottom formation now on the daily as well as the lower time frame charts in Nifty. We believe that the correction is not yet over. Markets are likely to face further pressure in short. Even the market breadth is indicating that overall there is a broad selling in the market going on. If we see the entire up move which has taken place from 7,700 to about 10,000, a minimum 23.6% retracement of this entire up move gives us a target around 9,600, 9,620. So we believe that in near term we are likely to see Nifty heading towards 9,600 to 9,620 range, and any pullback move 9880 has become a stiff resistance now, which is unlikely to get crossed. So any intraday move, pullback move should be used as an opportunity to exit from the long positions or even create short positions with stop loss about 9880 for probable target around 9600.
Okay, Ruchit, let's talk about your stocks then, and what are the stock ideas that you have on the radar for our viewers?
A couple of trading recommendations. Engineers India is one of the stock where we are recommending to go short. Recently, the stock has breached its rising trendline support, and in the pullback move, the earlier support has now acted as a resistance. One can go short in Engineers India around yesterday's closing with stop loss above 157. We are expecting the stock to go lower up to 139 in near term. And our second pick is to buy a GAIL. However, that's in conditional buy. Buying has to be done only about 387. This stock has been consolidating near its 200-day simple moving average support since last couple of months. A falling trendline resistance is coming around 387, and once it breaches 387, then we could see a good up move in the stock in short term. So one can go long in GAIL, but only about 387 with stop loss below 369 for target around 480.
Okay, and with that we'll wrap it up then on this edition of Market Cafe. Thank you for watching. But just in a short while from now, the market will be coming.